Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over our DR-Z400 Swingarm Extensions.
Alright, so starting out, we've got our two finish options. Here we've got our black engraved, and up here we've got our raw engraved. You can get them without the logo, that's totally optional, but both of these feature it. As far as the mounting and the brake setup here, it's really simple. This plate just mounts onto your swing arm and mounts onto your stock swing arm. And this plate back here is where your caliper will slide into. Once you tighten up your axle, that'll keep everything from moving or rotating, anything of that nature.
Alright, so what we got here is just the accessories that you can opt for with our Swingarm Extensions. Right here is our standard chain. It's going to be a firepower. These are all 150 links, so you're going to have to cut links pretty much no matter what length you're stretching to, whether it's 12 inches or our shortest at 4.5. So our standard chain's usually around 9,800 pounds tensile strength. We send them with boosters and everything all the time with no problems. Our EK chains are more of a race-oriented chain. If you're going to drag race all the time, it's what I recommend. I think it's about 11,300 pounds tensile strength versus the 9,800. Again, 150 links available in 520, 525, and 530. As far as our brake lines, just pretty standard. So if you're rocking an ABS bike, if I could pick these up, you only have two choices. You'll have the black and the stainless for ABS lines, and they will be 60 inches, so they'll be quite a bit longer, and that is because they're going to go from your rear caliper all the way up and bypass anything else up into your ABS module, whether that be under your seat or under your tank, depending on the model you have. And as far as for non-ABS bikes, you got all your color choices here. We got everything except purple. That's pretty much all you need to know, and it'll just be two banjo fittings on either side. All stainless hardware and a lifetime warranty, all American aluminum, everything we make. Any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and give us a call, and that will wrap up our DR-Z400s.